Now I will discuss the problem number 5, the electron moving parallel to problem number 5 from the survey book, chapter 25, problem number 5. Okay, so the problem is that if electron moving parallel to x-axis, okay, has initial speed, okay, initial speed is given that is 3 7 10 raised to power 6 meter per second. Okay, sorry, meter per second. Initial speed is this, and okay, its speed is reduced. That is very important point. Speed is reduced. Okay, so final VF is 1.4 10 raised to power 5, and x is distance is given 2 centimeter, mean 2 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. Calculate the potential difference between origin point. It has a two part. Calculate the potential difference. Uh, Calculate the potential difference. One and other is which potential is high. Okay. So firstly, I try to answer of A part. So distance is to VI. Okay. X-axis parallel to x-axis has initial speed this. At origin, its speed is reduced to this. Calculate the potential difference. As we know that change in potential is equal to change in potential is equal to negative change in kinetic energy. Uh, we have to calculate the potential difference. Okay, and we know that that is equal to minus 1/2 m vf square minus vi square. Okay, and meaning is very clear. Okay, there is nothing to worried about. Okay, no, sorry, here is a q. Okay, because this is a change in potential energy, and potential energy is equal to this. Okay, so that mean so delta phi will be equal to minus 1 by 2 m vf square minus vi square over q. Okay, uh, minus 1 by 2. What is the mass of electron? That is, as I have already mentioned in previous exercises, that will be equal to 10 raised to power minus 31. VF is given 1.4 10 raised to power, sorry, 5 minus 3.7 10 raised to power minus 6. Oh, not 6, minus 6, that is a 6. Oh, 6 divided by charge on electron is minus 1.67 10 raised to power minus 19. Okay. So by calculating all these, by computing, the required result is mm, okay, so there's one mistake, that is I have to take this care of. Okay, so required result will be equal to minus 3.7 sorry, minus 38.9. Okay, so how this is all about this. Okay,